Welcome to the tiny house kitchen, which is still under construction but fully functional. You know, it's the small things in life like new silverware that just make everything better. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this silverware set. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. This is a dishwasher safe set for 4 place settings. So you have 4 knives, 4 soup spoons, 4 dinner forks, 4 teaspoons, and 4 salad forks. They're all individually wrapped, so let's get them unwrapped. These are a lot heavier than I expected, and I really like that. The butter knives are more like a butter knife mixed with a steak knife. They are serrated, which is really cool. The spoons are really nicely weighted as well. You can see how thick they are. The handles feel nice in my hand. I'm really impressed by this silverware set. The knives come with a little protective coating on the tip so that you don't poke yourself when you're getting them out of the box. Now I just have to wash them and we can begin using them immediately. I don't have a container of ice cream that I can do the ice cream scoop test, but I can tell you that they don't feel really flimsy. So I think that it will pass the ice cream scoop test. I just can't do it for you.